What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It is wedding season. Thank you so much to AW Bridal for bringing us more wedding guest dresses to my channel for us plus size / curvy bodies. So if you're interested in finding a beautiful dress or gown to wear to your friend or relative's wedding this spring or summer, let's get right into the video. Okay, beauty, so we're gonna start with the face. We have to get ourselves together before we try these dresses on because it's only right for me to give you a vision of what you would actually look like. And so if you watched my last video, you know that I've been doing more simple makeup as I get older on my face, but I did add a few products to my makeup routine that I wanted to tell you about in this video. So I did find a matte primer from e.l.f. and this Poreless putty primer to kind of help me smooth out my complexion a bit as I'm getting ready to apply my concealer and things to my face. Now, you guys know I have been using the Makeup by Mario concealer for the longest. It is one of my favorites. I will have all these products linked in the description box below in case you're interested in how I get my simple, just kind of like everyday makeup look that is still a little glam. Now, these e.l.f. bronzing drops I've added into my makeup routine because they give such a subtle, light, and natural glow. I started out just trying to do it on the areas where I would normally highlight, and then I kind of like went overboard and put it all over my face. But you know, we're going to a wedding, okay? It's spring and summer, so there's nothing wrong with you glowing. For this particular look, I am gonna do a full face of foundation because, you know, you're more than likely gonna have this makeup on for at least a few hours while you are celebrating your friends or relatives. It's my natural beauty, which has saved me $500 a month. Yeah, you heard me. So as I do my brows, I just wanted to shout out everybody who watched my last video about sustainable beauty and things that I am adding in and taking out of my self-care routine, and one of them being lash extensions. Now, usually when I do my makeup routines, you guys will see me with a full face of lashes, but one of the things that I talked about in that video is just getting more comfortable with my natural beauty and enhancing that. So as I finish my brows, I set my face, I'm adding bronzer, and I'm adding this e.l.f. lip balm, which I absolutely love. I'm going to have this linked in the description box below. If you don't get this, girl, this is a very affordable alternative to some of those expensive butter balms, okay? But I did add on just a few of like short, minimal little lash extensions to just complete my look for this because, again, it's wedding season, sis. You got to get the glam there. Moving right along into the hair, I am curling my wig from Jesse's Wigs. As you guys know, I introduced this to you in my last video. If you don't see a reoccurring theme, I'm trying to get you to go watch that last video. But I'm just adding a few curls into this wig. I felt like with the dresses that I was able to receive from AW Bridal, a very just like voluminous, almost like Texas hair was needed for these dresses because these dresses are giving very like Southern Belle, just very like we're going to a wedding outside in the country. We probably are somewhere in Texas or Tennessee, and so I felt like the hair needs to follow suit. Okay, so let's get into these dresses. So AW Bridal is an online dress store that specializes in wedding and bridesmaid dresses as well as wedding guest dresses. And the dresses are custom made, so they're made to your size. They're made to order. And so the first dress that I was able to get from AW Bridal is this very beautiful Alma dress in the color Dusty Blue. Now, one thing I can say about AW dresses is they come in a plethora of different colors. So again, if you're looking for bridesmaid dresses in a certain color or a wedding guest dress to make sure that you are complementary to the colors of the wedding, they have a plethora of colors. So this almond dress, doesn't it give like Southern Belle? Doesn't it give like, you know, we're going to a countryside wedding? Okay, I just thought that the way the dress made was absolutely beautiful. It has this deep V cut that is identical on the back. These little buttons up the front, which are so gorgeous. They go right up the bodice of the dress. I love the flare at the bottom. There is a thick underlining up under this dress. And so if you're worried about having to wear a slip, they already have one that is built into the dress. It is tall girl friendly, as you guys can see on me, and the bell sleeve is just gorgeous. To style this dress, I pulled out my gold platforms from Target and this Shein clutch that I've had for a while. I also changed my black bra to this baby blue lace bra from Savage Fenty that I thought paired better with this dress since it is pretty low cut. And then with the slip on the inside, I did tuck it so that you can get some sheerness at the bottom of that skirt. I just felt like I wanted to see a little bit of skin, especially because it's, you know, spring and summer. It could be warm, especially when you are going to an outside wedding. And I felt like it showed off my shoe a lot better. So here is a close-up to some of the dress details. Again, this color on my skin, stunning, with the kind of like gold champagne accessories and the flowiness of the skirt, especially now that I've kind of like tucked the slip a little bit. Chef's kiss, okay? And the second dress they sent me, I can't pronounce the name and I'm not even gonna try to mess it up, okay? But I got it in this rose quartz color. I got both dresses made in a size 24. Y'all, this dress right here is stunning. I did steam it. My steamer is not the best, admittedly, but it was kind of causing those little wet spots because this is a satin material. So I did turn it inside out to steam it. And it turned out a little better. So this dress is gorgeous. I absolutely love the color. One thing I can say with this material is please make sure you get proper shapewear. I've gained some weight, especially in my tummy area. So I just had on some regular shorts up under this dress and I really felt like I needed something with a little bit more compression. There is a thigh split here that is kind of high though. So you want to make sure you are finding shapewear that can accommodate having your leg out. But other than that, I absolutely love this dress. You see it's like a halter top type of style. It does have two clamps that snap at the back of your neck. It does have a little keyhole in the back. My apologies, I didn't get to record it from the back. But just from the front, the dress is absolutely gorgeous. But again, this dress also comes in a multitude of different colors. So you can match this dress style to the color of the wedding that you're going to. I kept the exact same accessories and bam, she's absolutely gorgeous on my skin. Okay, beauties, I hope you enjoyed this quick video highlighting the two dresses that AW Bridal sent me. Again, thank you so much to AW Bridal. I do have a discount code SIMPLY for 10% off of your custom dress for any wedding that you're attending this year. Make sure you stay tuned to my next video because we're starting our Wear What You Got at Home series back again, and I'm also introducing you to the no spending challenge that I've been on for a little bit this year. So if you're interested in making sure you're maximizing the clothes that you already have in your closet and saving you a few coins, yeah, subscribe and I will see y'all in my next video. Love you. Bye.